What's up, everybody? How you all doing today? It's another beautiful day here in Phoenix, Arizona. Yeah, I hope everybody's having a beautiful, wonderful day today. Having a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Follow your dreams. Please like and subscribe. So we're gonna get into some earring making here. Yeah, so we'll get into doing that. So got beads, pliers, earring making things. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get one of these. Oop, get one of these. Got the end on it. Put one of these shiny little guys on there. Put one of these shiny guys on there. See how it looks. So yeah, we're gonna go like that, and one in between, and then the one on the top, like that, to go with the necklace and bracelet I made a couple videos back. So you start by, since this is the first one, start by bending it. That's what these round pliers come in handy for. They bend around. Put the earring part on there now. That little one keeps wanting to jump in the way.